So having worked for a number of years on a help desk, you realize that service level agreements really are key to understanding how your help desk is performing overall. And SLAs are really designed to be about three things. So that's timely resolution, it's automating useful actions, and clearly defining performance reporting. So let me show you how we're going to do that with SolarWinds Service Desk. From your dashboard, just go down to Setup, then go to Automations, and select Service Level Management. The trick with SLAs is you don't want to over-define them. I've talked to customers who have hundreds, if not thousands, of SLA rules in place. And the problem with it is every time you breach an SLA with that many rules in place and things get routed or reassigned to new people or their managers get to know, basically everyone just ignores them, which means the issues are not being resolved in a timely fashion. So I always suggest you start small and build up. So let's go ahead and click on New SLA. Let's talk about one of the basic scenarios, the time to assignment. How long until someone picks up a specific case or incident? We're going to build a rule for low priority incidents that haven't been touched in 8 business hours. And I'll show you why I want to do this one specifically. So let's go ahead and give it a name. So we'll just call it low priority, no assignment, where our target is not assigned. It is within 8 hours, and we make sure business hours is still checked. And we want to scope it only for low priority tickets and leave everything else as is. And then we get to set actions. And here's where I want to take a quick step back. So before you set your actions to immediately escalate to a higher priority, take a step back and think about it. Sometimes if it's something like this, which is just a low priority ticket that no one's picked up yet, maybe you just need to let the help desk manager know about it. In fact, that's what we're going to do for this one. Set action area. I don't want to change the priority. I'll keep it as low. I don't want to reassign the case to someone new. I just want to let the help desk manager know about it. So we'll go ahead and send this over to John. And for a tag, you can put anything you like, but it's not necessary. You can just go ahead and hit create. So here's our SLA. You can see it's low priority with no assignment, what we called it. It's not assigned within 8 hours. The scope is for the priority, and the action is only to notify, not to change the priority. So together we just built the time to assignment SLA. There's also other ones. You can put ones in for medium, you can put ones in for 24 hours or 3 days or what have you. The other types of SLAs I see that are very, very common are times to first response, how long it do first touch, and time to resolution. And those are the ones you're going to see most often, probably the ones you're going to want to build within SolarWinds Service Desk yourself. Now, I'm not saying that no cases should ever be escalated to critical. Obviously, some cases need to be escalated to critical. But I want to encourage you to take a step back and think about some of the other ways you can use your SLAs to just better handle all of your processes.